Okay, greetings everybody again. We are now increasing our frequency level. We changed the capacitor, the fixed capacitor. We've put an inductor, the same inductor, which is, it should be 26 microhenry. Okay. After my calculations, I found that the Q value should appear at 5 megahertz. What we saw now is different. Make it 2.5 mega. The biggest value we could get it's at the half of that frequency. It's at 2.5 megahertz. It's almost 60 volt, and the input is almost 10 volt from the function generator for the previous problem. At 5 megahertz, when we put it at 5 megahertz, it became smaller. It became half that voltage. It's almost 6 point something volt, and that's what we should not get. That means that both, maybe the inductor or the capacitor, are not that exact value. Okay, we assume that the fixed capacitor has 38 picofarad and the inductor is 26 microhenry with a 0.82 ohm, which that 0.82 ohm we calculated it on the RC meter. On the RC meter, the same thing. We found that that inductor equals to 17 microhenry, not 26, which makes different. But the RC meter is calculating at 1 kilohertz, and the calculation we found in the data sheet, it was at 10 kilohertz. Yeah, that's what we have got now. That's the voltage at 5 megahertz. It's almost half the input power. At 2.5, it's almost multiplied by 1.5 of that value, the input value, I mean. Thanks very much. We are going to try now at higher frequency at 10 megahertz, and thank you.